Joe Beermaster, where you have a Hyundai Tucson. This goes for all years. I'm showing you how to take the tail light out. It's a little tricky. First thing you do is open the hatch, and there's two Phillips head screws there. We're going to take them out. We've already had them loosened. So the two screws hold it in, and then there's a slide clip here. So we're going to show you how to do that. You have to really wiggle it. And you have to slide it back while you're wiggling it. So we kind of hit it with our hand while we're sliding it back. This one's a tough one, so you just got to keep working it. You want to hit it enough not to damage it, and you just want to keep wiggling it and wiggling it. Alright, so we're going to keep pulling it back. Alright, so we got it. You can see there's a pin here and a slide here. That's what holds it. There's also a push pin. There's a grommet and the push pin, so you got to pull it. You got to work it a little bit. And if you want to disconnect the light, you can disconnect the clip here from the harness. Push that down. And then if you need to change a bulb, just like any other one, you just unscrew it. Bulb out to change it, you just basically turn it and pull it. And there's the bulb. You either untwist it or pull it straight out. And there are little numbers on the bottom of the bulb to tell you what the bulb are for. You can call your local supply house and you tell them what bulb you need and they'll match it up. Joe Beermaster, thanks for watching.